Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're making homemade chuck burgers. Alright, so I just got myself a meat grinder slash sausage maker. Got it for Christmas from my beautiful wife. But the reason why I got this, I gotta say, was because of Charlie from Pit Smoke. He's the first YouTube contributor to subscribe to my channel. He's been watching my videos and I've been watching his for a while now. Charlie's a great guy. He has a wealth of knowledge. Smoking, on the griddle, on the grill, when it comes to making sausage, when it comes to canning. If you don't know Pit Smoke, go check him out. Charlie is awesome. So anyway, I got a chuck roast. This is the first time I'm using this thing. Never used it before. Washed it out. So I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but we're going to give it a whirl. And if you're watching this right now, that means it turned out pretty good. So anyway, let's test this out. So this meat grinder is from, what's the name of the company here? It's from Chefano. Sounds like an Italian suit designer or something. But let's try this out. All ground up. It looks great. This thing worked pretty good, this grinder. I'm impressed. Can't wait to make sausage with it. But anyway, something I forgot to mention. I lightly seasoned it with salt and pepper. All the cubes with salt and pepper before I threw it in the grinder. But, alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to break it down into portions. Quarter pound I think is a little too small and half a pound is too big. I'm going to go with third pounders. Alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some right here. I just want to weigh it. Of course it turns off as soon as I go to use it. Alright, so I just want to weigh it to get an idea what I'm dealing with here. Alright, so that's just about a third a pound. So it's big, almost like a baseball. I'm just going to give it a little rounding here. I'm not going to really pack it in. Put it off to the side. I'm just going to make a couple of these. Let's see. It should be about the same. A little more. I got all my meat all divided up. I got my hamburger press right here. Now one thing I want to do is I don't want to compact it too much. I just want to get a nice little press on it. One thing I learned over the years is when it comes to burgers, you don't want to compact the meat too tight because it becomes chewy. So I only got 12 here. But if I was doing more, I'll probably want to put a piece of wax paper in the hamburger press to prevent it from sticking. So after a while, it starts to stick the meat to the press. So I'm just going to finish these up. Alright guys, just put the burgers on the grill. Looking forward to them. I just put a little Montreal steak seasoning on them, nothing crazy. And that's it. Time to eat. Looking good.